Influence here today. If you've seen the title and you see these guys, you know what I'm about to do. Or you know what this video is about, kind of.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influence's interest on YouTube.
What's going on today? We have Warbotron Bruticus. Now, this was released in, I think, the summer of 2013, if I'm not mistaken, which was what? 22 years ago. Almost 22 years ago. I think this was released in August of 2013. I'm not sure, to tell you the truth, though. I think it was the summer. This is my first Transformer ever. Or my first, I should say my first third-party Transformer ever. Thanks to Bobby Skullface. I saw his review. I've talked about this many times, but I've seen it. I think it was Swindle. I think that was the first review I saw of his. And yeah, I was like, oh shit. they have Transformers that look like how I thought they should look. So yeah, we have Warbotron here. Now, these aren't Masterpiece. At the time, we were considering it Masterpiece, but they're more of a chug scale. But the question is, do they hold up? And I think they absolutely do, especially for chug. If you're a chug collector and you can find Warbotron figures now, I think they're fine. Because, I mean, I have everything. I have everything here. Nothing's broke. No brittleness. Like, there's nothing. Some of the plastic feels suspect. But, I mean, if this bad boy, like nothing's falling off. Guns might fall off, they do, but look at this. Now, it might have been, the tolerances might have been too tight for a lot of people. But, I mean, like you picking up a bot that's, actually, these been in a box, just not even smashed together, because I try to take care of my stuff no matter what. But I did just stuff them all into a box without nothing. Like, they're just on top of each other. And they were the only thing in the box, but still, like, they've been stuffed in a box. You got this guy here, Blast Off. I still like Blast Off because, I mean, this is just a fun set. Just because... Let's not forget about this guy. This is probably the most fickle one. Vortex. But he's still holding up. I think some stuff is broke. Yeah, no, you know what I did? I wrapped tape around here. It's not broke, it just wouldn't stay right on the helicopter. So I wrapped tape around the handle that fits into. It was just Scotch tape. It's coming off now, but I put Scotch tape around the handle and then put it in there. Because there was enough space, that's why I wouldn't fit. There's enough space, I just put one layer of Scotch tape and just made it tighter. But yeah, the blades, I think one of the blades broke too, and I might have glued it on. Maybe that's why it's in this configuration. I said that in a review the other day, configure. When I meant configuration, I don't know. My brain don't be working sometimes. Also, you gotta, these are stylized versions, kind of. Like I said, they're chug and more stylized than what we expect now. But this is what it was. And I actually like a lot of the bots better for it. This is what I mean when I say some bots I like G1. And actually, I love the way these look. And I love the way Magic Square look. So I guess the Combatons are bots that I am fine with having Ultra G1 or stylized. Some things I don't like Ultra G1. I spoke about that before. But, I mean, there's paint choices, too. Like, they have a lot of clear, not a lot, but there's clear plastic. Like, on Swindle's shoulder cannon, he has clear plastic. But, man, like, this thing, let me show them all. I know this isn't the best lighting for, say, a review, because I'm here. I'm more for the vibes, like talking to you when I sit in this space. But you can kind of see what's going on. See his head sculpt. I don't know if the camera's focusing. But Braun, I really like Braun. Like he's dope. And I showed him just a little bit ago. Like I said, he's probably the most fickle one. In Blast Off, I did show Blast Off. He doesn't hold his guns too great. I would try to transform these on camera just so you can see that they're also, besides a couple places, transformation is great too. But I don't want to embarrass myself because I haven't fooled with these in so long. And you have the trailer, you have all the pieces. You can make a stand with the gun and the feet together. I always thought these feet were cool because they're kind of like little tanks. They got guns on the back. I think one of the feet I had to do some operation on. I had to take it apart and they sent out parts. But yeah, you stick them all together. I got the fist. I got all the parts to Warbotron too. I mean, I'm just saying that it's not a commercial. I'm not selling it. I don't know if I'll ever sell this set. For one, I don't know how much I'll get for it if I did try to sell it. But for two, it's so meaningful to me. As the first, it's what got me into all of this. Funny, I'm sitting in front of like a non G1. I mean a non masterpiece display. This display is mainly legends that I sit in front of because I just can't. I don't sit in front of my masterpiece display. Besides the top shelf, you can't see the top shelf, but yeah, top shelf is a mixture of stuff. But anyway, just a quick video. Just wanted to talk about some old bots. I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna start maybe reviewing, like doing a proper review of bots, maybe. And yeah, I even thought about reviewing. Maybe I'll combine Bruticus and review Bruticus and actually compare it to maybe Zeta's Bruticus and maybe some other figures. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. My videos are not getting traction at all these days. I know you tired of hearing me say it. I said it in like 2 videos ago. And you know, I don't usually, I have my little slide out that says subscribe, but I don't really say it too much. But hit the bell. If you're already subscribed, hit the bell. And just so you know when I post, because I don't know what's going on with my channel. We may need to have a discussion about my channel because I'm not sure how much longer my channel is going to. I'm going to be able to do this without the support, because I always say this is not a knock on the people that support me. There's a lot of people that support me faithfully. I try to respond to your comments. I try to do everything, you know. And other creators, I kind of understand. It's hard to support other creators because you're creating most of the time. I run into that too. I can't watch a whole bunch of creators, even though I want to watch different Transformers channels, but I'm always either reviewing something or I'm just don't want to see it before I review it. If it's something that I don't review and I'm not busy, I'll watch. But so I understand that aspect, but I'm just, as a whole, like, I don't know if I get discouraged. They say comparison is the thief of joy, but sometimes I look at other channels and they just be racking up the views, and it's not the views, so to speak. Like, I'm not going to get rich off of this, off of YouTube. It's not doing this right now. The way my channel is going, like, it's not even there. I'm not even close to having that type of income to even sustain me to be full time. So that's not why I do it. And when I say views, it's not the views like I'm trying to bring in the people so I can make money. It's not that. It's the fact that these videos take, depending on what type of video, like my Blades video, I think in a day got like 23 views. And that video took like 2 hours to make. Well, no, it took like an hour to make. because of some other stuff. And it took, you know, at least an hour and some change to edit. So when I do all that, when I put at least 2 hours into a video, and videos are at least 2 hours, depending. I mean, I've had reviews that I've done for 3 hours, you know, had to get up and come back, depending on how complicated the transformation is. But we're getting far into the weeds too. So if you're still here, it's cool. Like I was saying, to put that much time into a video and then only get 23 people to watch it, it's like a kick in the gut. That's when I say why I say views. It's not views like I'm just trying to bring in the older people. Like, it's not that. It's just risk reward. How many people are watching your thing that you put all this time into? That's what I mean when I say views. Cause like I said, I'm not getting rich off this. So it's cool. Anyway, I hope if you're like I said, if you're still here doing this little end, I put the rant at the end because that's what I do. I appreciate it. And yeah, Warbotron Bruticus. Like I said, if you like this, if you're into it, if you're in the chug, go get you a Warbotron Bruticus if you can find one. I don't even know where you can find one at, and I don't even know what the price is for one. Yeah, probably shouldn't be no more than 150 maybe for all of them. But I don't know. They might say it's rare and you can't buy it no more and all that stuff. So that might boost the price up. Who knows? Anywho, I'm going to get up with y'all in another video. Had some caffeine, so I'm probably bouncing off the wall right now. All right. Thanks again. Peace.
You know, life ain't no. Life ain't no. Life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.